Stepping out with Step Out, understanding the phrases. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the English phrase, step out. It's a simple phrase, but like many in English, it has more than one meaning. Stick with me and by the end of this video, you'll be using step out like a pro. Imagine you're inside a room and you move outside. That action? That's literally stepping out. In its most basic sense, step out means to move or walk out of a place. Example, I'll just step out for a moment to get some fresh air. Here's where English gets interesting. Step out can also mean to go out socially, like for an event or a date. Example, they used to step out together before they became a couple. Step out can also mean to stand out or to do something noteworthy or brave. It's like taking a bold step forward. Example, she really stepped out from the crowd with her innovative ideas. In the world of fashion, if someone tells you that you're stepping out, it's a compliment. It means you're dressed particularly well or stylishly. Example, wow, you're really stepping out in that new suit. So there you have it, folks. Step out isn't just about moving from one place to another. From social events to making bold moves or even rocking a new outfit, step out is a versatile phrase in the English language. Hope this clears things up, and remember, don't be afraid to step out and use the phrase in your conversations. Happy learning!